Hey guys, in this video I'm super excited to show you this clever way to make money on Fiverr without needing any special skills at all, guys. You don't do graphic design, you don't do web design, you don't know WordPress, logo design, NFT art, none of those mambo jumbo stuff, guys, alright? This is by far the fastest way, the easiest way to make money on Fiverr. And one of the coolest part about this method that I'll show you in this video, guys, is that there is no competition in this method. There's a low competition because one of the most problem that we encounter as a freelancer, even though you have the skills, you have the web design skills, but still there's a lot of people, there's a lot of competition with those kind of services or this kind of skills, right? But with this gig that I'm going to show you in this video, guys, this is one of the easiest way, the fastest way, the laziest way to make money on Fiverr without needing any special skills, right? And I'm super excited about this, guys. Now, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell icon so you'll get notified every time I upload content like this to help you guys make money online. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so the method or the gig that we will be selling inside of Fiverr is local services, right? Now, this person right here, this I will do anything for you in the Philippines. Now, this person, guys, has like 72 stars right here, and she's now level 2 sellers. Now she just do basic task right here. Now his pricing right here like $10, standard is $25, premium is $50. Now per $10 he's just providing basic task right here, information and one simple task, and he's making $10 with this, and he delivered this service for 3 days, right? You can do simple tasks, one single information, you can do one simple task and you deliver it for 3 days and you make 500 or you make $10. You make $10, but you can charge, you can put any amount, and then for the standard you can have an information, basic information, and one medium complex task. You can also do that, and you can charge like 25 to $30 to $40. And then for the premium right here, descriptive information package and hands-on experience information and two related tasks. You can do simple tasks to your local country. You can do anything right here, guys, right? You can, there's a lot of, let's take a look at some reviews from this person right here. Like, you can do this, guys, into your local country, do local services into your local country. Like you can, create an account, become a seller, and do something like, I will do anything for you in Thailand, I will do anything for you in Vietnam, I will do anything for you in the US, in to whatever country you are currently living right now. You can do that. And this actually works. This person right here is actually making money, right? And you can do the same. And this one right here, he has this one order in quick, which means every day this person's getting order every day, and there's not that much competition with this, right? You can do the same, guys, right? You can do anything. You can create your account right here, become a seller. And if you don't um, if you don't know how to create this, just basically copy this entire information right here and just basically replace this with your country, right? And just copy this information right here, replace with this with your pricing. You can put in $12, $15, $20 or more. You can just do that and just replace this delivery time right here. You can also do that, right? And then you can just copy this information right here. Yeah, right. And then once you receive that order inside of Fiverr, you can make money. You can make $20, $30, $50 or more. That depend on the pricing that you put in your package, right? So I want you guys to start doing this, right? Go to Fiverr, create and become a seller right here, right? Create your account. It's completely free. You can get started this method as soon as after you watch this video right here, because there's a lot of people making millions of dollars in Fiverr, guys. Now you can get started with this method, guys. Even if you don't have any special skills, you just do exactly what this person is actually doing. You can make money with doing this method, guys, right? And there's not much that competition, right? And you know uh, there's a lot of people looking this kind of services. There's a lot of people in different country looking this kind of services, right? So you can copy exact this, and then you can create this image right here. You can go to canva.com, right? Go to canva.com and create this kind of image right here. I will do anything for you, and then put in the counter right here and put in your that symbolize the picture or the image that symbolizes your country, just like this one right here. Now this image right here symbolizes our country because I'm from the Philippines, but you can do the same, right? You can make a lot of money doing this method, guys, and this is one of the fastest way, the easiest way to make money on Fiverr, and there's not much that competition, right? Now let's take a look at this. Now there's also other people doing this kind of method. Let's take a look at search about this. Now there's also a lot of people also making this kind of methods right here. um so I will do anything for you in Mumbai. So this right here, I will do anything for you from Mumbai. I will do anything for you in what is Kajabi. That's an application, but this one I will do for you anything. This person right here, I will do anything that are legal. But you get the point, right? You can also do the same, right? Let's take a look at this. I will do anything in China. Let's take a look if there are other people also do the same. I will do anything about China and Chinese. It is right here. This person is making, starting at $5. You can also do the same, right? Into your local country, you can do that. I will do anything for you in China. See this person right here is making money. I will do anything for you, in finding suppliers from China. I will do anything for you from China. You can also do the same, guys. Just put in like I will do anything for you, and then put in your, put in your country and start, selling this kind of services because this actually works and there's not much that competition, right? Just go ahead, guys, start creating your account, become a seller, start creating this gig, and you can do this in your part-time, right? Because you can deliver the servers for 3 days, for 4 days, or 5 days, and you can still make money, right? So yeah, so I think that would be in this video, guys. You get the point. You can start doing this. There's not much that competition, unlike doing those, you know um, traditional services like web design. This takes a lot of, takes a lot of time, takes a lot of, you know effort. Then you can start doing this. Yeah, this is the fastest way and the easiest way to make money on Fiverr, and you can still make the same amount of money while even you're doing the same, even you're doing, simple tasks, right? So yeah, I think that would be in this video. If you have any questions about this, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you don't know how to create an account inside of Fiverr, please let me know in the comment section so I can show you guys how to create a seller account inside of Fiverr. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye. Love you.